Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video you will learn a pencil topper. So we will start with the magic circle, chain 1 and 6 single crochets into this ring. We are making a bare pencil topper, so we are working on the head portion. So 6 single crochets, just pull this strand tightly, make a single crochet, make a slip stitch on the top of first single crochet. To begin the next round I will make a chain 1 and 2 single crochets into every stitch. That means at the end of this round I have 12 single crochets. Two single crochets in every stitch, as you can see. Round 2 is also completed. To begin the third round, chain 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next, 1 single crochet in the next, then 2 single crochets in the next. So this is how we will work, and at the end I have 18 single crochets. Make a slip stitch at the end. Begin the fourth round by chaining 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next, and 2 single crochets in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next, 1 single crochet in the next, and 2 single crochets in the next. So this is how I will complete the round, and at the end of this round I have 24 single crochets. So after working 4 single crochet rows, I will work 6 rows of 1 single crochet in each stitch. In first 4 rounds I have worked increasing rounds, and now from round 5 to round 10, into these 6 rounds I will work 1 single crochet each stitch. So this is how it's turning inwards like a ball. And from now we will start working on decreasing rounds. This is my round 11. Chain 1, go into the first stitch, make a single crochet, go into the next stitch, also make a single crochet. In the third and fourth stitch I will work a decreasing single crochet. Then in the next 2 stitches I will work 1 single crochet each stitch. In the next stitches I will work a decreasing single crochet. So this is how I will complete the round, and at the end of this round I have 18 single crochets. Round 11 is completed. Round 12 starts with a chain 1 single crochet in the first stitch, one decreasing single crochet in the second stitch, 1 single crochet in the next, 1 decreasing single crochet in the next. That means at the end of this round I have 12 single crochets. This was the 12th round. 12th round is completed. 13th round start with chain 1, work a decreasing stitch. The next would be again a decreasing stitch. That means we are working in only decreasing stitches. We are converting 2 single crochets into 1. That means I have 6 decreasing single crochets. Slip stitch. I worked on the back loops. So round ends at the 6 single crochets, and now I will fill this ball with ball fiber. It's filled, as you can see, and now I will close it with the help of slip stitches. I will just make 2 decreasing stitches to just close it. The hole should be completely disappeared. I am just trying to vanish this hole. I need these stitches, the decreasing stitches, I am working only in back loops, because into these front loops I will work the pencil cover, where we will work the same way here. So now I will just cut the yarn. Now what I am going to do, I will do the part of the pencil. I am just attaching the yarn into the front loops of the single crochets. Now I will work chain 1, go into this first stitch and work a single crochet, 1 single crochet into each stitch. That means I am working 6 single crochet in this round, 1 single crochet in each of the front loop single crochet. At the end of this round I have 6 single crochets. Make a slip stitch on the top of the first single crochet, and this is how my round is completed. I will work 7 more rounds to complete the cover as I need it. So I just want to check the size. I will try to adjust it. It's completely okay because it's adjusting over it. So I will work 7 more rows of these 6 single crochets each round. So my 7 rows are completed. As you can see, now I will cut the yarn and weave the ends. I have crocheted these ears by making magic circle, 6 single crochets in first, 12 single crochets in second, and the third round would be 1 single crochet each. I worked 2 same ears, and for the nose, so I will sew it here, right and left to the center, and for the nose I just make with white piece. I make a magic circle, work 8 single crochets, and then I sew these nose and mouth on it. I will place it here. So all we will done with the help of yarn needle. It's completed. Now I will sew eyes on it. I will attach 2 small beads for the eyes. So I will attach it. If you want to sew, you can do it, but I will prefer the beads here. So it's completed. I hope you have liked it. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Crochet Skills. Don't forget to click the bell. Please like and share my videos with friends and family. For any query, please ask me in comments. I will address all your problems and try to solve your problems. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.